ready. Now it's recording. Great. Yo, what you gotta say about this junk, bro?
Man, about to go to the junkyard, man.
Right?
We got you full of days for party for days.
Right? So we got this place cleaned up, got the
Those are special. Those are $22.
got the heater going up in here. We're gonna get the temperature up to. Once we're gonna spray, we're gonna turn that thing off. But till then, we're just gonna keep this place warm. We got everything up in here. Lips, bumper, fenders. You name it, bro. You name it. Yeah, buddy. Got the hatch up in here. Got all kinds of crazy stuff here going on. Food, fenders, you name it. Primer time. Primer time. Yeah, buddy. Yo, what's up happening here? As you can tell, this primer is thick. And we just gotta keep digging in it till it gets all dissolved. Once it gets dissolved, Tara's on the way with some food because I'm about to pass out. Gotta get some protein. Mix this thing in. And I'm gonna try to get everything primer, you know what I mean? Got everything cleaned up. By the way, do not buy a harbor-free gun, super cheap. I have good luck with Walmart, I think. Yeah, Walmart. So in fact, tomorrow, after I'm done, I'm taking both guns back to Harbor Freight and buy a Walmart gun. And try to go with that one, see how that one goes. And because this one I got is no good. It's leaking. The other one was cracked. But gotta get this thing all. Yeah, buddy. This is just the beginning. Primer is the easy stuff because it's, it's gonna be all sanded down and stuff in some areas, like the outside the panels. But I'm not so concerned about so much of the primer as I'll be with the paint and the clear. So once I get the paint and clear going, that's when I'm gonna really strap down and make sure everything's super clean and just do a few trims, not a whole lot of stuff. Right here, I'm just gonna go ahead and do a whole bunch of stuff just to be done. But before we do that, I gotta get this primer to be like dissolved, like 100%. So then it gets thick. Sitting at the bottom, it's been sitting, It's 1 gallon of it, bro. It's a lot.
One last coat up in here, I'll tell you what. 1 gallon of primer, it's not gonna cut it. I need more than a primer, so I need to raise the car up and go again.
Ciao boy, Vasile garage up in here. Day 2, touching up some more things. Got some stuff done the other day, last night. And then I had to touch up the lip. Had some holes are showing from the bondo. Doing great. Yeah, lay that bondo, girl. And I touch it up right there, and then I have some touching right there. So I'm just warming up the garage. Probably give it another 45 minutes or so till it warms up. And I'm going to heat up those doors, the hood, back hatch, the bumper, the side skirts, the bumper, and heat up the body maybe one last time. But before I do that, I'm gonna let Della play for like a few more minutes, and I gotta send her inside. And it's a go time again. It's an ongoing process. By the way, my Harbor Freight gun sucks. So I got this new gun from Walmart. Don't know if it's any better, but I used this before on the white hatchback right there, and it did great. So there you have it, guys. Round 2 with this right here. So it's kind of what we got going on. Kind of cool to have this little deal right here. You can just pour your paint. Got your mixing cup. By the way, I ran out of primer. That's why I wasn't ready. By the way, and I went and got some more primer for 119. For 119. I did have some more of these left over, so we're just gonna go ahead and mix them up and work with that. Also got our gun degreaser up in here. There you have it. Yeah, buddy. Got some gloves. Got some mask. Got your filter. You gotta have that. And then you got another little bit of filter up in here. So stay tuned. We're gonna get this cracking locking up in here. Yeah, buddy.